How to redeem a Walmart gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can redeem a Walmart gift card, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to redeem your Walmart gift card, now you can do this process from the app, but just because for the general audience that may be watching this from their laptop browser, I'm showing you this process from my Walmart browser, which is walmart.com. I'll have a direct link down in the description box below. Once you're on the website, what you want to do is you just need to tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen here. Once you tap the three lines icon, you want to just go to this option that you can find that says account. Once you go to account, over here you can see under wallet you have this option called add a payment method. So even if you're on the application, you just have to go to your payment settings, so just tap on add a payment method. Now when you want to add a payment method, it can ask you to enter your credit or debit card, maybe your benefit card, or maybe your electronic benefits transfer. But to add a gift card, you just want to make sure to tap this option over here that says gift card, as you can find it. Then all you have to do is make sure to enter the card number as well as the PIN, the gift card nickname as well. And if it is a physical gift card, you can select that. After you enter all the details here, tap the save card option. Your gift card will be successfully saved as a payment method. The next time whenever you want to purchase something online, the balance will be deducted from the gift card if it is applicable. And this way you can redeem a Walmart gift card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.